Alright, this is what they've got done so far. This is the actual shop here. It'll have the two 18-foot doors going in. You can see that they've been building the framing for the windows. It's a pretty neat little system. They build the individual window frames and then they'll slide it into the sidewall frames. So this is the 4-car garage. It is 25 foot deep, and then it goes back into the middle shop, and it is 20 foot deep. It's a 6 foot wide by 8 foot tall door, and then this up above will be the attic, and they'll put the trusses at 2 foot centers, and then we'll put the stairway going up there, one of those fold out stairs. And this is another double door here that'll be the leather shop, and it is 15 by 40. So I've got a couple of windows, an exit door, another window here. This shop has the one window here and the one window here. All of the windows in the house are 2 foot by or 3 foot by 6 foot. And I've got two more here in the main garage. And then this doorway, it's a 42-inch wide door, 8 foot tall, will go into the house from the garage. You can see they've started the framing up of the front wall of the house. This large opening here is going to be the this is the bedroom here, where those pipes come up will be the start of the bathroom. Got the shower pan or the shower drain set up, and then this big opening here is going to be 3 of the 3 by 6 windows will go there, and then the front door, and then the entire opening from right here all the way across will be a 29 foot room, and this will be where the kitchen is. So you can see where the back porch will be right off of the kitchen, and then this end of the house will be the bedroom, master bath, and closet, and then you can see the front porch here as well. So that's what we got. Oh, and that little room in the middle shop is going to be for water heater, water softener, and the manifold for the well. All right, enjoy. Talk to you soon.